My upload for today is with regard to the matters that I've raised throughout these uploads that have highlighted very serious wrongdoings I've unjustifiably experienced. There's a matter occurring in my hometown, Tralee, County Kerry, where there are very serious offences of hate crime and human rights abuses occurring that have also culminated, as I've already stipulated, as constitutional wrongdoings. There have been individuals that have been breaching very serious protection laws and that have been exacerbating very serious situations. This upload is with regard to my dissatisfaction and disgust and disdain for the circumstances that have occurred with individuals that have intruded upon me as a married mother whose husband is a missing person, my child a legally missing person, and my property in Ardfert and Kilflynn being imposed and intruded upon by individuals of acquisition and unlawful actions. So as I've mentioned, as a humanitarian, as a peacekeeper, as a recovery advocate, I've had to endure the most unthinkable circumstances that are absolutely inexcusable. There are, as I've mentioned, culprits in the community that have disrupted civil society, they've disrupted family life, and they've disrupted procedures and processes that they have absolutely no role to play in. So as I've mentioned, the entitlements that I am due from the state due to my humanitarian work have not been forthcoming. The issues with regard to my entitlements as a private royal citizen have also been disrespected. The obligations have not been met, and the unfortunate issue of my child being without the care of his mother and my family ancestral property being imposed upon by individuals that have caused very serious offence to my family, that have caused very serious offence to the democracy, that have caused very serious offence to progress that I commenced in 2017-2018 that had a far-reaching positive effect in other countries other than Ireland. So my humanitarian work has been of positive progress, and I'm still tolerating people's bad behaviours. It's really insulting to progress, it's really insulting to developments that have occurred, and these individuals that have been of very serious wrongdoings are not helping the future generations with the offences that are occurring unjustifiably and inexcusably. So as a married mother whose husband and child are legally missing persons, GSOC and the relevant ombudsman have been made aware of this since 2017. I live on my own, and there are individuals breaching whistleblower protection laws, causing endangerment to society. They are making false allegations, they are of false reporting and fraudulence, and to be quite honest, this is an upload of dissatisfaction and disgust as a representative of women and children's rights, as a mother whose child has been harmed in an unlawful care order. The state has been made aware since 2017 of these wrongdoings, and these culprits unfortunately are still a hazard to the well-being and the positive progress that is still a possibility since individuals attempted to impose manipulatively in progress that they have had no genuine, authentic, original source of work in. So they imposed upon my humanitarian work, they've imposed upon my child and my property, they've imposed upon my fortunes and my wealth, and this situation is for the immediate attention of the United Nations and all humanitarian agencies. I'm awaiting the government of Ireland to respect my royal patronage and my child as a missing person, and my husband Richard McElligott that is still a missing person as of 2019-2020. So I'd appreciate the state addressing the very serious issue in Tralee, County Kerry that I'm tolerating as a property owner, a humanitarian, a married mother of legislation, and individuals in my proximity where they have absolutely no right to be. This issue is ongoing, and as I have had positive developments made in other countries other than Ireland, I'd appreciate the United Nations contacting me immediately with regard to the very serious offences I'm experiencing.